Yeah, hey everybody. In this final video, we're going to look at one last way to modify your links in a cool and creative way that's going to optimize and improve your conversions. So in this case, let's look at our directory. We've already added the Podia examples link to the Podia listing within our community. Now we're going to do the same thing to the Podia store or shopfront recommendation that is in the store part of the directory. So in this case, we have a product type. It's an external product type using the affiliate link that I created earlier right here, recommended storefront software. The product is called the storefront software we recommend, and the description, which uses the short description field in the WooCommerce product, is this is the storefront software our directory recommends to our members and the public alike. Enjoy a free trial and sign up with confidence. Well, as you'll notice, this is all intentionally very generic. It doesn't say Podia, which is where this leads. It doesn't say anything about any specific program, because essentially we are split testing, or we are leaving this open to optimize for conversions. So if, for example, we were to learn that the goodkarma.link/examples branded link that we created, which currently points at the Podia affiliate program for us, isn't converting well, we want the ability to be able to change this on the fly. So if we have this link published in tons and tons of places, in ebooks, let's say, or on various YouTube videos or courses that are in our community, regardless of where it is, we don't want to have to go back and make edits on a manual basis each occurrence where this recommendation exists. So right now, if we click on this, you'll remember it goes here, right? And let's say this isn't working for us, so we want to really quickly be able to go into our tracking link software, not the directory, but the tracking link central spot. And let's say we want to make this Teachable, which is another competing program, rather than Podia. Now, in this case, obviously, we input our affiliate link for Teachable here, not just Teachable directly, but I'm just going to save that for simplicity purposes so we don't add another affiliate link into this video series. And let's go back to our directory. Let's pull up that product. Actually, let's do it from the shop so you can see that in a more natural way. So let's say someone's looking at the storefront software we recommend. They click on it. A moment ago, this went to Podia. Now it goes to Teachable. So as you can see here, this is the question mark where, this is the part of the thread or the URL string where my affiliate link would go had I inputted my affiliate link into this field in the rebrandly branded link that I created earlier in this series. All right, hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense to anyone watching this, don't be ashamed to ask. There's a lot of, small moving parts that are uncomfortable or might not make sense to you if you're just beginning. So if you're part of the course community, I'm here to answer questions. Feel free to ask anything that is unclear. All right. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful afternoon.